Hello. It's Thursday. Hope you're doing well. I would like to announce a new Friday stream that's going to be focused on laser cutting and making money in your garage with laser cutting, because I really want to develop a community around that. I have a Glowforge. You can bring any laser cutter you want to the party. I'm not sure what I'm going to call the show. I'm thinking laser something about laser and making money. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll even make a t-shirt or a sign in the back. I don't know. By the way, about t-shirts and hats, if you want to support my vision in order to buy a van and travel the country and talk to kids about invention at the hackLAB, please do so. You can pick up some cool t-shirts like this Glowforge t-shirt right here. That would be great. Hats, whatever you want. And of course, you can download the digital file. So you will be able to literally get inspired before the weekend, and you can make some really cool things. And I'm going to be interviewing people that I know that I've met over the years, the students that I've had that have taken my course that I have, my Glowforge course that I have. And we are going to leave you inspired every Friday, 4 to 5 o'clock. And it is going to be a live stream. Sometimes it'll probably last 45 minutes. You can leave and come as you go as you want, and it's fully free. So Friday's topic is going to be, we're going to talk about the difference between Etsy, Squarespace, eBay, OfferUp, Craigslist. How do you sell your laser cutting things? I'm going to give you a ton of ideas that I learned from the 4-hour work week. So anyways, guys, hit the bell and subscribe. If you're interested in a after discussion after that video, join us on Zoom. And the way that you do that is in the description. There is a hackLAB group that you can join, a Facebook group, and I will notify you of the Zoom room so you can join in on that live stream. And I'm going to be doing that at 5 o'clock on this Friday. So that's exciting. It'll be the laser cutter happy hour. That's pretty cool. And maybe I might get some cool guests from Seattle someday. All right. Anyways, that's it. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. And we will see you Friday at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. What is that time in Seattle? 1 p.m.? Or what is that time in Hawaii? I don't know. All right. Thanks. Love you. Take care. See you Friday.